Here's how to enable Opera browser's built-in ad blocker, customize its settings if needed, and browse with ads blocked without installing any extensions in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to block ads using Opera's built-in feature so you don't need to install any extensions. First, open Opera browser on your computer. You'll see either your start page or your current browsing window. Next, open Settings by pressing Alt+P on your keyboard or click the Opera menu in the top left corner and choose Settings. Once the Settings page opens, scroll until you find the Privacy Protection section. This is where Opera keeps its built-in security and browsing tools. Next, locate the Block Ads toggle and switch it on. Once enabled, Opera immediately activates its built-in ad blocker without requiring any extension or add-on. Then, open a website that normally displays advertisements. You'll see a blue ad blocker shield icon beside the address bar, confirming that ad blocking is active. If you click the shield, you'll also see how many ads have been blocked, and you'll have the option to disable ad blocking for only that website if needed. After that, if there are websites where you want ads to remain visible, return to the Privacy Protection section and select Manage Exceptions. Add the website to your allow list and Opera will only disable ad blocking for that specific site while continuing to block ads everywhere else. Now, if you prefer a quicker method, click the Easy Setup button near the upper right corner of Opera. You'll find another black ads toggle there, allowing you to enable the same built-in feature without opening the full settings page. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Easy Setup, enable Block Ads, restart Opera, then check that the website hasn't been added to your exception list. If ads still appear on only one website, it may be using ad formats that require updated filter lists. If a website asks you to disable your ad blocker, simply click the shield icon and turn off blocking for that website only instead of disabling it across the entire browser. Once everything is set, the ad blocker shield will appear beside the address bar. Supported websites will display fewer advertisements, and pages should load faster with fewer trackers. Following the simple steps makes enabling Opera's built-in ad blocker quick and easy.